Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a salad. I had a request to do a video on a salad, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. Salads are really yummy. I make them all the time. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. First, I want to point out that salads are extremely versatile and there's so many different things that you can put together to make a salad. I'm going to show you pretty much my favorite salad that I make all the time. And I encourage you to kind of come up with your own toppings and whatnot for your salad and experiment and find out what you like the best. So one of the classic things to start with is lettuce. I don't really buy lettuce that often. Lettuce isn't quite as healthy as spinach. So I'm going to lay down a bed of spinach here first. And make sure your hands are clean. And then I love kale. So I'm going to do some kale. And then broccoli. I love broccoli. This is just raw broccoli. And then I'll finish off the greens with some sliced cucumber. There we go, yummy. And our salad is taking shape. And now I want to start adding some other flavors and colors, some carrots. And you can grade your carrots more fine than this. I like big chunks of carrots, just a personal preference. Whatever you want to do, you do that. Don't let anybody tell you how to make your salad. All right, now I want some color, some red. I love radishes. So throw some radishes on there. Tomatoes are really popular to have on a vegetable salad. And I just use these little grape tomatoes, but you could use cherry tomatoes. You could use just other tomatoes that you slice up. I like how handy the grape tomatoes are, and they were on sale at my supermarket. And then, lastly, I like a little bit of sweetness as well. So I like to add craisins and get a little bit of sweetness. So there you go. That is a nice vegetable salad. Great for vegetarians, whatever, a keto diet, vegan. So now, I always add a little bit of protein as well. So if you're just going to do a vegetable salad, this will work great. And then you can season it with some salt and a little bit of pepper if you like. I like to do salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can toss the salad too if you like and have everything all mixed together. I like to layer it. It's just personal preference. Do it however you like. And this is pretty much ready to go. But like I mentioned, I want to add protein. A classic protein to add is some chicken. I got some awesome chicken here that was prepared at the supermarket, and they sell it in this all ready to go, which is really cool. And then another classic protein that people put on their salads is like a hard-boiled egg. And there you go. And then it's totally up to you what kind of salad dressing you make. You can just do a basic salad dressing like with balsamic and olive oil. And I'll probably do a video in the future where I do several easy salad dressings that you can make at home. My favorite, all-time favorite, and it has been since I was a little kid, is a classic ranch dressing. So I'm going to just drizzle on some ranch. I love ranch. And that is ready to go. I also like the look of it when it's layered as opposed to being all tossed together. A lot of people will toss it with the salad dressing to try to get it evenly distributed. Up to you how you do that. There you go. There's my favorite salad, and I'm excited to dig into it. All right, my salad is done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Some other toppings that I like to put on there is bacon, some shredded cheese, croutons, sunflower seeds, a lot of other toppings that you can put on there as well. Drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite salad is. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. thumbs up down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, super excited. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. So good. So good, baby. You're so good.